Well, unfortunately, my neighbor backed out of there with his mean truck. He's going to have to get chained out. Well, he goes over there and brew hogs. That's another example of driving while buzzed, folks. You don't do it. But better a ditch than another car. He just got that truck not long ago, and there comes Sooner trying to help him out. You're going to have to get a chain, or better yet, one of those straps. We need an organizer. He just rolled right into it, man, because the bed of that truck is so long and our street is so narrow. It's hard to judge. Well, when you get impaired, it's hard to judge. Your judgment is impaired, as well as reaction. I don't know what to say, folks. Till next time.